Mundul Kiri province, located in eastern Cambodia, is renowned for its natural beauty, dense forests, rolling hills, and indigenous cultures. Its history is shaped by its geographical location, cultural diversity, and environmental significance. 1. Early history. Mundul Kiri has long been inhabited by indigenous groups, particularly the Bunong or Phnom, people who are among the oldest communities in the region. The Bunong have a distinct culture, language, and traditional practices centered around animism and a deep connection to nature. The area was historically remote, limiting significant outside influence until the French colonial period. 2. Colonial era, 1863 to 1953. During the French protectorate over Cambodia, Mundul Kiri became more accessible due to colonial infrastructure projects. However, its remoteness meant it remained relatively underdeveloped compared to other provinces. The French sought to exploit the area's natural resources, including timber, while also attempting to civilize the indigenous population, often through missionary work. 3. Post-independence and Khmer Rouge era, 1953 to 1979. After Cambodia gained independence in 1953, Mundul Kiri remained underdeveloped, but started to see more integration into the national framework. During the Khmer Rouge regime, 1975 to 1979, the province suffered severely. Indigenous populations were targeted, and many communities were forcibly relocated or killed. The dense forests of Mundul Kiri became hiding places for both Khmer Rouge forces and those fleeing persecution. The Bunong people, in particular, faced cultural erasure as the Khmer Rouge sought to destroy traditional practices and impose uniformity. 4. Modern era, 1980s, present. In the aftermath of the Khmer Rouge, Mundul Kiri gradually rebuilt, but its development lagged behind other provinces. In recent decades, the province has gained attention for its biodiversity and ecotourism potential. Key attractions include waterfalls like Bu Sra, the Mondulkiri Protected Forest, and the Keo Sima Wildlife Sanctuary. There have been efforts to preserve the indigenous Bunong culture while balancing modernization and development. Mundul Kiri has also faced challenges such as deforestation, land concessions to private companies, and the displacement of indigenous communities. 5. Cultural and environmental significance. The Bunong people's traditional practices, including elephant taming and spirit worship, are integral to the province's identity. However, these practices are under threat from modern influences and land development. The province is home to diverse wildlife, including elephants, leopards, and gibbons, making it a crucial area for conservation in Cambodia. Conclusion: Mundul Kiri's history reflects the struggles and resilience of its indigenous communities amidst external influences and modernization. Today, it represents a unique blend of cultural heritage and environmental richness, playing a key role in Cambodia's conservation and ecotourism efforts.